Welcome to my series on writing for doctoral studies. I'm Dawn Winters, and this is a very quick video on how to make a table of tables in Microsoft Office. This can be a source of great frustration, especially if you've written your 200-page dissertation, you're feeling like you're on top of the world, and now you have to do a table of contents and you're struggling because the formatting and Microsoft Office can be a bit of a challenge to overcome. So what I have suggested, and I did this in my table, making a table video, do all your tables in a separate Word document and then drop them into your writing once you're finished with your writing. You can indicate to them in your writing. You may even drop tables in once you finish the chapter and not wait for the completion of your entire dissertation, but having them separate and formatting them separately can really help save a lot of headaches. So what I have here is a Word document that has 3 tables on it. So we're going to pretend that there maybe are tens of pages in between these tables, and now if I try to do a table of contents by hand and I add a couple of sentences, well, I'm completely thrown off. So first, to make your table of tables, you're going to click above your table, the first one. You're going to go to References. Then you're going to go to Insert Caption. Now, you're not inserting a caption, I know, but here it says Figure 1 and it says Figure 2. These labels really matter. So if you watched my How to Make a Table of Figures, you'll know that you can choose from figure, table, or equation. So we're going to choose table. It automatically changes the marker. And you're going to press OK. Now, I know you're thinking that's small and in italics and it's gray. So we're going to want to change it to Times New Roman, what size we need, and it's not gray, it's black, and it's not in italics. So here we have our table 1. Scroll down, you're going to do the same thing. Make sure you're above it, References, Insert Caption. You're back on table, so if you're labeling these all together in your document, it'll automatically have table chosen for you. You've got table down here, same thing, go back home, Times New Roman, 12, and black. And one last time. References, Insert Caption, Table 3, and then change the formatting. Black, uncaptioned, Times New Roman, size 12. Then you're going to scroll up here, and this should be, you should have your main table of contents, and if you've got your figures, or or you've got your tables come first, and then figures. So you're going to want to say table of tables, enter, back to references, insert table of figures, and make sure that you're using the caption label table, and then you're going to use it from the format, and here is your table of tables. So here we just have page 2, 3, and 4. You might think, oh, it would have been a lot easier just to write table 1 and then do the ellipses dots and then have it be table 2, or I'm sorry, page 2, page 3, page 4. There's a couple things wrong with that. Number 1, the ellipses won't be all aligned. See how they're flush left and flush right on either side? That's because we created a table that Word created for us, and it's nice and even. The second thing is your page numbers could change as you add words or subtract words as you edit it. So you can always edit your table of tables and update the table right here. Page numbers only, or update entire table. So you'll see that you can do that in table of contents as well. And then the last reason is, once your dissertation is finished, if you're looking at an electronic version that's in Word, you can always Control-click and follow it and go straight to that table. So if you realize in looking through your dissertation that on page 210 your table has an error, you made one of your columns a little too short and it cut off Carolina, you can just simply click and go directly to it in Microsoft Office. So it's really important to format your tables correctly because it'll allow for a lot of ease later on. So thank you so much for watching. I hope this has helped create your table of tables. I appreciate your time.